Good morning. Good morning, boys and girls. Today is a great day to be a Hunt Husky. We have some really exciting news, and it's been really hard to keep this news from somebody in my office, okay? So, first of all, we want to welcome our special visitors. We have lots of special visitors here with us today. And so, everybody turn around and wave. And then I would like to welcome Dr. Jared Cleveland here with us. Dr. Cleveland is our superintendent, and he has somebody that he wants to welcome here with us today.
Good morning, boys and girls. My voice is not very good, but I'm happy to be here with you today. It's my pleasure to introduce a great friend of mine, Mr. Mike Mertens. He's the Assistant Executive Director of the Arkansas Administrators Association. Mr. Mertens.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So yes, my name is Mike Mertens. I'm here with AAEA, that's the Arkansas Association of Educational Administrators. We're in the Professional Development Association for school administrators across the state. Under the AAEA umbrella are 13 education groups. So I'm not wearing my AAEA hat today. I'm wearing my AAESP hat, which is Arkansas Association of Elementary School Principals. And this is the favorite part of my job, is getting to come to schools like this and recognize school administrators for the great work that they're doing in our schools in Arkansas. So we do have a representative from AAESP today, and that's Justin Swope. Justin, would you stand up and wave? He's the chair of the elementary school. So, leading up to today, it's quite a process. School administrators, teachers, and parents, community members, board members, they can all recommend persons for the award that we're going to present today. Then we go through a process of application, a scoring rubric, and then a committee of practitioners from across the state will select someone to win the award that we're going to present today. So, glad to be here, because that means someone in this building is going to get a very prestigious award today. So I would like to say a few words just about the people that work with this person, what they say about this person. So they say that this person is dedicated, is deserving of this award, invest their personal time and resources to support all students, is a confident learner, is a focused leader, is a builder of trust, motivates teachers and staff, provides a constant listening ear, quickly takes action, and encourages students. So it is my pleasure today to announce that the Arkansas Assistant Elementary Principal of the Year is your very own Patti Athey. Read what this plaque says. It says, this award is an appreciation of your exemplary leadership in providing outstanding educational opportunities to the children of Springdale School District and for your distinguished service as an educational leader in Arkansas. So if you think Ms. Athey deserves this award, give her another round of applause.
So this is why we had to dress up. My teachers were not happy they could not be elves today, because today was Elf Day. I just want to say that I'm very, very blessed to work in the Springdale School District with our leaders, and I'm even more blessed to be here at Hunt. I would not be getting this award if it wasn't for our support staff, teachers, and leadership team, and my admin partner. We work together to find innovative ways to meet the needs of the kids you see in this room, and I'm really proud of the work that we do. I'm honored to represent Hunt and Springdale School District in the state of Arkansas, and I hope I make you guys proud, and thank you for coming.
Let's give Miss Athey another round of applause. We have a very special performance by our choir, and then our special guests, we have a reception following in the library. And teachers, if you will cover for each other, I know Miss Athey would love for you to come down and see her and talk to her for just a minute. So we'll start with our choir. a part of our special day. You may look at your teachers, and your teachers will tell you when to stand up. Thank you so much, teachers, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Again, our special guest, if you will go to the library, we have a special reception followed.